Before you call any HVAC company, ask these three things. 1. Do you charge for estimates? Some companies hit you with a service fee just to come look. Ask up front if quotes are free. 2. Are you licensed and insured? You'd be surprised how many aren't. This protects you if anything goes wrong. 3. What's the warranty on your work? A solid company will back their service. Cheap ones usually don't. Bonus tip: look at their 3-star reviews on Google. Not too angry, not too fake, just honest. Know what to say before you book. Follow for more smart moves.